So how do I find time to make this and take 2 kids to sports today and go to the office? And all one of those things where I have to make sure that what I'm doing is productive at all times. Hopefully you can hear me over the popping of all this stuff. I don't have my microphone. So like what I want to be able to share with you every day is something that was in my day that made it what it was and makes me who I am. And one of the things today that I really focused on was being grateful for where I am, because I can't always, things are not always the way we want them to be, right? Everybody always wants something a little bit more or a little bit different, or you just want something better from where you are. And that can happen, but in the process of getting there, sometimes we get frustrated and we want to quit, and we think that it can't happen for us, and what we see going on for somebody else will never happen in our lives, right? Like what we're doing could never amount to anything. We're always behind. Somebody's always ahead of us. We won't succeed. But what I decided today is, and I think this will help you as well, is just being grateful for the things that you do have. Not looking at what you don't have, but looking at what you have in your hand and what you have been blessed with and what God has given you. Because of that, you can make something greater. You can do something more. And that's what I was reflecting on today. So dinner here is almost ready because in great fashion, my family eats a lot of rice. So I have rice already prepared. So I already have rice. So they'll use that. And then I have the and vegetables. It's almost served. So excited about that. We've been doing a lot more meal planning around here. We get into a phase of that and then we back off and then we get back into it. And so I think being in it in the summer is hopefully going to add up for a good fall. Because right now I have a little more time with less activities. Activities are still going, but can I plan ahead and get in a rhythm so when everything comes crashing down, I will be prepared and have a flow already going. That is one way to create momentum. Get in your flow when it's easy times and then be able to carry it out once everything starts. So I hope your day was great, and I hope that something I said today you can take with you for your tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.